as far as we are concerned, I have no regret, and I will continue to say it, and I've told the president-elect, the elections have come and gone. You have finished that battle. The battle you have now is governance. What Nigerians want is good governance. And if we want good governance, then we must rally around the president-elect. Because if it does not work, everybody will suffer. We will still continue to cry. All we need now is to say, Mr. President-elect, we want to support you to better the lives of Nigerians. It is not to begin to set trap on how Mr. President-elect will fail. If he fails, you have failed. So we owe it a duty to give him support. And that support should start from the leadership of National Assembly. Give him that support. Because if he fails, he's in trouble. You know how you walk. Some of us are plotting how we make it ungovernable for him. How we make it, he'll find it difficult. You are not punishing him. You are punishing Nigerians. At the end of the day, who will suffer? Nigerians. So give him support. Leave your personal interests. Leave about, if I don't support this man, they won't give me chairmanship position. If I support this man, I'm likely to be chairman of Offstream, where I will make money. No. Support him on how you bring policies, how you bring good laws to you, and you make good laws for its implementation. All of you have come here, House of Reps, Senators, check yourself. Are you going to work for the interests of Nigeria? If you are going to work for the interests of Nigeria, then give him support. Give him support so you will not have crisis from the beginning. You will not have crisis from the beginning. Particularly in you people, the ruling party. I'm not in your party. Me and Seyi were on the other side. All senators here, House of Reps, they have no choice but to support how Bola Ahmed Tinubu will succeed in his administration as the president of Nigeria. Some people were worried, like what Seyi said here when they came to me. This you are doing is not taking a risk. I said, what is about risk? Let me tell you, there is nothing you do in this life that you will take risk. To marry is risky. Not to marry is risky. To eat is risky. Not to eat is what? Risk. So whatever you do, you must take a risk. This risk I'm taking is a proper one. The risk that will unite Nigeria. And therefore, we must all work together. I told them, even though some of them, their leg here, one leg here. When they heard that Bola Tinubu has won, they came, okay, the sea road. You, why did the sea road? Who told you that I'm the only one that will see road? Don't you have eyes? So it's important that we have to do things to help this country to be the country of our dream. It's no longer party. It's about Nigerian project, as Seyi, my brother, have said. And that's why we didn't bother. There was no abuse we didn't get. It's not our business. Our business is, let us work together to move this country to where the founding fathers of this country, why they say there must be one country called Nigeria. So I'm happy.